Good day, investors. Welcome to the 26th of January 2015. The trade for today is called Mondi and the code is MNP. Last traded price was R196.50. The action here is to trade the share downwards or short or sell. Looking at this specific trade, the entry level will be on the blue line of R198.92, with the objective to trade it to the green line, and that's a level of R190.98. The red line will be a stop loss of R202.89. Looking at the current open trades, LBH, BBT, as well as MTN. Trades that's been closed last week, everybody happened on the 22nd of January, with FSR, SBK, and Steinhoff. Looking at the top 40 index of the JSE, the blue line is the index movement, and you can see it's currently trading above the 5-day moving average as well as the 20-day moving average. The Dow Jones, they closed Friday evening 141 points negative, and they were plus minus on this green line, and they closed on a negative movement to the red line downwards to 17,672 points. Currently, their futures are showing another 100 to 110 points negative movement for late afternoon opening. Please take note, the Federal Reserve Bank will have their meeting on Wednesday, where they will disclose about their interest rate movements, as well as 141 companies of the Standard & Poor's 500 index will bring out data this week. So this week there's a lot of data due on the American markets as well. Currently, you can see on the J200, that's the top 40 shares on the JSE, they went close to the level of 43,770, tested previous highs after the broke up of this band. Currently, the futures are showing a bit of a negative opening this morning due to the Dow futures and the European futures that is currently a bit down. Our monetary policy meeting will happen, will start tomorrow, and on Thursday at 3 o'clock our interest rate meetings will happen and announcements regards to our market. So as you can see, there's the breakdown, break up, coming a bit down, expectation a bit negative, but anytime this market could actually fluctuate up or down. Looking at some shares, let's go and look at the banking sector. Barclays Bank sitting on a new record of R188.63, and that all happened on Friday. The share went up R2.73, still in this positive bank. If you look at Standard Bank, also similar. It went from this lows that we've identified here at 139.140, and it went to the highs of 145, and you can see it's still in a positive band, starting to become sideways now. So the ranges are getting smaller, 5 rand ranges, from low to high and high to low. Let's go to some telecommunication, MTN. Now MTN is physically falling and is struggling here at 204 rand. MTN to be broken, if this share needs to break physically higher, is close here to the 208 to 209 rand. If it needs to break higher, back to the 220. Looking at your Bollinger Bands, still trading between the green and the purple, showing identification of a downward movement, but currently trading sideways, struggling to break this 198 level on the low on the green. Telkom. Now Telkom, if we're going to do the following, I'm going to use this low to this high on the Fibonacci's, and you can see this share is currently trading sideways the last 2 months. The low is 66 rand and the high is almost 71 rand. At any time if this share breaks the 66 rand level, you could be more downside due back to the 62.94. Looking at your Bollinger Bands, you can actually see the support is also there. Let's go to some of the retailers. Shoprite did break to 176, went to 181, starting to fall a bit down. Still in the upward channel here at this moment. Looking at your Bollinger Bands on the top of the cycle, so we need to see what direction will follow. Mr. Price broke the new highs, trading at 257 Rand on the high here on the positive channel. Calling up your Bollinger Bands, shares currently trading between the green and the red Bollinger Band, showing a bit of upward movement on the top. So there could be a bit of movement still due on the share. Woolies, same format. Calling up your Bollinger Bands, currently trading between the green and the red, broke at 82 and went to 85 Rand. Currently the share is still trading the upward band, but it seems quite toppish at this moment by indications. If you call up an indicator like the WR, it's showing a bit of movement coming down on this specific share. Lose a bit of momentum at this stage. Shares in Track, Investec, broke its 96 Rand 50 level we spoke about. Personally missed it. Currently trading between the green and the red, green and the purple on the downward side, showing there could be a bit of upward movement. Next level to be tested is close to the 97.58. If broken, more down upswing could happen here. So track it very closely. As you can see, indications also jumping up here. So traders, another share I'm going to call up is just Exxaro, just to indicate to you downside movement on the green line, sideways movement between the two red lines. Current low 100 Rand, current high is 110. Middle line of the table, so the low is 100, middle is 105, and the high is 110. So this share's got a lot of upswings. It's starting to come a bit down here, breaking the green. So there could be opportunity for this share breaking this 104 Rand 82 level and go back to the 101, 102 level in the short term. Trading in this band. Enjoy your trading.